Did you know there's an immediate requirement of 30,000 plus cyber professionals? Time to begin your rewarding career in cyber security and embrace the prosperous job opportunity. Suryadatta International Institute of Cyber Security (SIICS) offers B.Sc in Cyber and Digital Science, a unique program launched for the first time in India. Affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, learn from additional inputs in the form of 20+ workshops on emerging topics in cyber security and digital science from experienced professionals. You can even pursue further certifications, national and international, and acquire knowledge from our 21 value-added holistic and professional development modules. We also host various industry visits for learning outside the classrooms. For more details, visit www.SIICS.org or call us today. Admissions open. Hurry!